Girls, I'm going to walk you through this week's math assignments. Of course, you're going to click on classwork. We're going to be working this week under the week of April the 20th. I'm going to scroll down until I see Hayslip Math Test Prep Fractions. So I'm going to click there. I want to go ahead and click on View Assignment, and then I would click on the assignment. The assignment's going to pop up. I'm going to walk through each of these questions, answering each of the questions, selecting A, B, C, or D. Okay, number 1 says solve and record your answer in its simplest terms. So remember to reduce your answer if you need to. Okay, for the sake of this, I'm just going to go and scroll through and choose the same answer for each one. Of course, every question is telling me to solve and put my answer in its simplest terms, which means to reduce. Also, there's some addition, there's some subtraction, so pay attention to your sign. Okay, number 5 is a yes or no question instead of a multiple choice question, so make sure you answer that one carefully. Once I've answered all of them, I'm going to hit submit. Now, once I hit the submit button, I can actually go in and view my score. I can see how many did I get right, how many did I get wrong. So see at the top it says total points 1 out of 5. So I need to go back in and redo this. So I can exit off that tab and I can actually edit my response here. So before I even give you feedback, it's automatically telling you which ones are you getting right and which ones are you missing. Okay, so once you have finished and you've corrected all of your answers and you have hit your submit button, again you can view that score. Okay, I want you to exit off, and then if you notice over here it says unsubmit, then that means it's already been done. You have submitted the assignment to me. If I give you feedback and I want you to go back and redo something, this is what you need to do. You need to make sure you unsubmit the assignment, and you would click unsubmit again. Then you would go back in and actually open up that assignment and edit your response. Okay? Then make sure that once you're finished, you hit that submit button again. Okay? Now you see it's already been submitted again and turned into me. Also, boys and girls, another way for you to check your work to make sure that you've turned everything in, go to classwork, and at the very top, if I view your work, I can see that I have not completed this microorganisms flip book because it's been assigned. However, the fractions, I've turned it in. And if I want to actually view a score, I can go to View Details, and I can click on that assignment, or I can see how many points did I get out of 5. Alright, boys and girls, I wish you the best of luck on this fraction review. Please make sure that you watch the review video before taking this assessment.